Purim Sameach, Chavarim, Happy Purim. So, in the world that we live in, most people really do want unity. Everyone wants to be united. We want to be together. But the question is, where does that unity come from? Where does that desire for unity come from? And that's something we can't always know. Some people claim we should be united, but in order to bring those that are successful down, maybe because they are not successful themselves or they don't feel good enough with what they're doing, and they say, I don't like the people that are very successful. I don't like Facebook and Amazon and people that are wealthy, or someone that has a family, or someone that thinks well. I don't like those type of people. Let's try and bring them down in the claim of unity. We should be more united. We should all be the same. But really the intention is to bring those down to the level that they are on. That type of unity can be very dangerous. There's a healthy type of unity where you just want everyone to be successful. I'm happy for everyone to be successful. Well, in the story of Purim, we learn this idea that was the underlying factor that saved the Jewish people. Mordechai hears two people are trying to plot to kill the king, Bigtan and Teresh. And Mordechai understands their language. He speaks Torsit, he speaks their language, and he hears that they're plotting to kill the king. He tells Esther, and Esther goes to tell the king, B'Shem Mordechai, in Mordechai's name. She doesn't take the credit. And to take the credit for Esther would have been a great thing. Achashverosh, the king, was like a living God. But she said, in the name of Mordechai. And the Mishnah in Pirkei Avot says, Kol ha'omer b'shem omro. If someone says something in the name of the person that really said it, mevi geula le'olam, brings redemption to the world, will save the world. And how do we know that? It says, Vatomer Esther lamelech b'shem Mordechai. Esther went to the king in the name of Mordechai. Wow, she gave the credit to Mordechai. And what happened 9 years later, when the king couldn't sleep? In the middle of the night, he wakes up and he opens his book of Chronicles and he says, it may be there's someone that I wasn't kind to, and he sees Mordechai. Mordechai once saved my life 9 years ago. I must save him. I must do something great to him. I must pay him back. I never paid him back. And it was only because Esther said in the name of Mordechai that Mordechai's name was recorded in the book of Chronicles. And that's how the story came to save the Jewish people. And eventually we all know that Mordechai, that night, the king wakes up and he sees Haman comes in, and Haman's planning to kill Mordechai, but really the king says to Haman, you go and help, you go and take Mordechai and put him on that horse and take him around Shushan and sing his praises. So it was Mordechai that was the one that was saved because of Esther's amazing ability to give credit to the one that deserves the credit. That takes a huge amount of selflessness, of looking at yourself and saying, I don't have that ego. I'm happy for someone else to be successful. I want people to be wise. I want to say something. I want to give a class. I want to teach and say it in the name of the person that said it. Because that way I elevate the world, and I actually elevate the world in the right way. I elevate it with my desire not to think of myself, not to make myself a better name, but really to elevate the world for everyone. See, that's the best claim of unity. The best way to get to unity is when you're doing it in order to make the world a better place. When you're doing it in order to elevate the world, when you're happy for someone else who's doing well, when you're happy for someone else who has a family, when you're happy for someone else who's doing well financially, that's when you know you are making the right claim for unity. Well, may we take that idea with us. Purim Sameach to you all. Chag Sameach. Have a happy